Okay, I'm back. It's getting worse. I had to bring the dogs out, so I figured I'd come out here one more time. This one's gonna be short because it is really piling up and the wind is not getting any lighter or drier. It's very, very wet. Oh man. My husband and my son went down to the gas station whew, to get some more gas for the generator just in case. Holy shit. Just in case we lose our power, which we probably will, because yeah, that's shit. Yeah, let's get back to this now. It's pretty. It's very pretty. Let me get out from under the tree. She's big, so you gotta be careful. I just love this. I know it's not cool. I should not be doing this, but it's so pretty. I love this. Too bad my little grandson Alder isn't here. He would think this is just the shit. Look at this. Crazy. Okay, my battery is almost dead. You're kidding me. I should really stop. Oh my god. This is just magical. I gotta go get my dogs. This is awesome. I gotta go get my dogs, bring them in. Okay. I'll give another update in a little while. It'll be dark, so I won't be able to come back down to the road. But I will go out the front door with the light on, and hopefully that'll be enough light to help see. Oh, losing my tree. She's probably gonna have to come down in the spring. And there's my dogs. Are you ready to come in? They're like, no. What are you talking about? The reason I don't want them out here for so long is because there's a big tree above them too. It's not holding a whole lot of snow right now, so I'm not that worried, but it's so windy. Okay, I love you, bye.